Robotic Solutions is a Jasper, Indiana-based process integration company serving the wood and composites manufacturing industries. Here at the Jasper Tech Center, we set up and test fully customized robotic cells prior to installation at customer facilities. This video introduces a new concept for a fully automated batch 1 door spraying and curing line. This concept begins with auto-driven carts that deliver doors to a scanning zone to determine dimensions and geometry to be sprayed. Each cart carries information about paint color for each side of the door, which will automatically rotate 180 degrees if the other side needs to be sprayed. Notice that the door cutouts do not get sprayed. Once the door faces and all edges get sprayed, the cart leaves the spraying area and enters the drying and curing tunnel and then is unloaded. Visit our website, roboticsolutions.net, for more details.